Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video we're going to be looking at the bend, another fundamental forging technique. So as you can see, I'm setting the bar out over the horn and I am striking out over the horn. I'm using the horn as a backup for the actual forging that is being done. You do not, however, want the forging to be forged right against the horn, as even though the horn is round, it is a cone shape, so you will get a twist in your bar stock as it bends around. So you're just really using the horn as a way of supporting the stock. Consequently, you could easily do this over the sharp of the anvil, although that may lead to galling on the inside. As with any of the techniques that we're practicing in the fundamental series here, you want to make sure that you get consistent results. Now what I'm not showing in this video is bending a 90-degree square corner or an upset square corner. I'm just showing you a very simple bend to illustrate one of the fundamental techniques. I know. It's very riveting content here on this channel, but this is a super simple thing that, even though it doesn't seem like you would need to practice this, it does take a little bit of time to get nice, consistent, and even results. So as you can see, I just cut this piece off. This was all in preparation for a fundamental class that I was teaching down in Goshen, Ohio. And so I was just making some film footage around it because I figured that it would take and help out the beginners out there who's just getting into this. So hopefully this video has found you well and that it has been somewhat helpful to you. So we're just going to get this cleaned up, and then later on I'll have a hole drilled in this and I'll add it to my ring of example pieces for students. Just give it a few taps, and that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, and I hope I earned your subscription. As always, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.